Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So before we start, we're just going to tell you something. So if can you really use WeChat Pay without a Chinese bank account? So the answer to that is yes. You can use WeChat Pay without linking a Chinese bank account simply by adding credit card details. But there are some restrictions you should know about. So WeChat Pay only accepts foreign credit cards, not debit cards, and you'll only be able to use WeChat Pay in stores, not for sending money to friends and family. So on the next as we go along with this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WeChat Pay. So using the foreign account or foreign bank account. So first, you just need to download the app and then set up your account. So here's how to get started. So go to the App Store for your device, such as the Google Play or the App Store, and download the WeChat app. So look for the international version and open the app and tap Sign Up button and provide your personal details when prompted and follow the on-screen steps to create your account. And before you can use the Money app, you'll need to add a credit card or a Chinese bank account if you have one, and then verify your identity. So this requires providing identity documents such as passport, a photo of yourself, and for full personal details in order to prove that you are who you say you are. So after that, here's the step on how you can or how you can add your credit card to WeChat Pay. So first, open the WeChat Pay app and then select Me and select Wallet and tap the bank card and then add a new bank card. So enter your card information and then just follow the steps to verify the billing address, including entering an SMS verification code sent to your registered phone number. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.